What's up, people? GM Skywatcher. Sunday, February 10th. It's 4 p.m. These criminals continue to manipulate the weather. And just look at this gray sky. People are so unaware of their surroundings. They don't even fucking realize that their weather is created for them. You know, you got the meteorologists on TV telling you what the weather's going to be. People just don't pay attention. All this is chemicals. They spray the lines in the sky and then they dissipate into this mess. Come on, when will you people wake the fuck up? When will there be a mass awakening? There's a little bit of blue there. What happened to people questioning what's happening? What's going on? Since when did everybody listen to the television and believe that it is so? Those fake anchors and reporters that continue to lie to you every day, they keep you distracted. Open your eyes, people. Pay attention to the skies. Stop falling for the lies.